Downloading files from Google Drive taking longer than expected. Yeah, slow downloads can be frustrating, especially when you're working with large files or multiple folders. In this tutorial, I'll show you several practical ways to download files from Google Drive faster in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Slow or inconsistent internet speeds are one of the biggest reasons Google Drive downloads take longer than expected. If possible, switch to a faster Wi-Fi network or use a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. If you're downloading several large files, try downloading them individually instead of selecting everything at once. Downloading a huge folder forces Google Drive to compress it into a zip file first, which can add extra waiting time. For large or frequent downloads, consider using Google Drive for desktop. It lets you access your Drive files directly through File Explorer without repeatedly downloading them through your browser. Yeah, this can be much more convenient if you work with cloud files every day. Next, pause other large downloads or streaming activities on your network. Closing unnecessary applications can also free up bandwidth and improve download performance. The fewer devices competing for your internet connection, the better. If downloads still seem unusually slow, try using a different supported web browser. Browser extensions or temporary cache issues can sometimes affect download performance. So switching browsers is a quick troubleshooting step that's worth trying. Finally, if everything on your computer looks fine, the slowdown may simply be temporary. Network congestion or high internet usage can affect download speeds from time to time. Trying again a little later may give you much better results. And that's how to download files from Google Drive faster. A stable internet connection, Google Drive for desktop, and a few simple adjustments can make a noticeable difference in download speed. I mean, most slow downloads are easier to fix than they first appear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.